Hello, Judy here from Client Hub, here to talk to you about the difference between a task in a job or a client task. So Client Hub has two different types of tasks, and I know it can be a little confusing, but let's go ahead and look at the difference between them. So first of all, a client task is created and is displayed in the client workspace or the client portal for your client. That will be in that client task panel. And a client task is something that you have assigned to the client to respond to. It could be a task for them to just take an action on, a request for a file, maybe a question about a transaction. So those are going to be created by going ahead and clicking the new client task button. Type your message into the box. Choose your response type that you're requesting. So we have 5 predefined response types. Now, note here that I do have some purple or our AI features here. So when I created that message, Client Hub automatically selected the appropriate response type. Always make sure to check those. When I click Send and Notify, Client Hub will add that to the client task panel in the client workspace. We will also notify the client user. It's their job to come into the client portal and respond to those items. Now, a task in a job will be in your internal workspace within that job. Tasks in a job are items assigned to accounting staff. Task is going to be in those subsections under the job. My task here is to review timesheets. In addition, there's task details. That's going to be the box over on the right-hand side, which is where we can add additional information about that task. I can click on each task and the new details will display. Once I've completed that task, I can go ahead and check it off as completed. By checking off the task, this helps you keep track of what you have and haven't yet done, and also allows other people within the firm to see the progress of the work.